Kathleen Hall, and I'm CEO of the Mindful Living Network.
Hi, I'm Kendrick. We're cooking for love. Have I got the recipe for you today? Ever been invited to a party last minute, especially football party or holiday party, especially right now? Well, I've got the perfect thing for you. You have got this. I tell you what, I have got a wonderful artichoke dip that can be served hot or warm. And if it's cold by the time you get to the party, you can put it in the microwave for just a moment and it will be perfect.
So you're saying this is simple?
It's very simple.
And delicious.
And delicious.
I can't wait.
All in one, you can make it in one bowl, and then you put it in one baking dish.
Wow.
You put it in the oven, 350, 30 minutes, done. Serve it with some beautiful crackers.
Yeah, well, I'm ready.
Okay, so what we do is get a bottle of beautiful artichokes and tear them up a little bit. 1 cup, I'll go ahead and start doing it. So in one bowl, we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to do 1 cup of mayonnaise.
And it's real mayonnaise, not
Real.
diet.
We would never do that. You know, that's chemicals.
Amen.
I never, if you're going to do it, do the real thing.
I know. My daughter was really into light everything, and then when I showed her that the reason that it's light is all the chemicals that are in there, that nobody ever died from this light.
No.
A real egg.
Right.
Real
egg.
Real ingredients.
Real Parmesan cheese, a cup of real Parmesan cheese. Just eat less, but eat the real thing. Then
she's eating less.
Yeah, and real thing.
Yes.
Green chilies. You can get this at the Latin American aisle in the grocery store.
I love where this is going.
No, real. And then we've got real pimentos. And this is all can be found. The recipe will be online, so you can get the exact measurements.
But you know what else I've noticed? I don't see many a lot of younger people cooking with pimentos anymore. In the old days, people, you know, especially in the South, pimento cheese, of course, comes from down here.
Exactly.
And a lot of the salads had pimentos, remember?
Exactly.
And you always knew there was no shocker or discovery. And I learned when Brittany's friends, our daughter's friends, started coming over, and they'd see these little red things. They thought they were, you know, red peppers or something, and had no concept of pimentos.
Exactly. Now, what I just did was a little salt, a little pepper, and a little shake of red pepper flakes. Just a little shake to give it a little something. Now, and also, so you see it just mixes really well. Really easy. The mayonnaise helps it all stick together. Mayonnaise, as you know, has eggs, so that helps hold everything together. Now, it also has a mashed garlic in it. I want to put this up so you see it.
Now, this is the most exciting part about this show for me is I avoid this kind of garlic because I have no idea how to do it. I buy that big elephant garlic.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, so you open it so I can just pop it open because I've never known how to do this.
Yeah, so I usually take the garlic like that. You take your chef's knife, lay it flat. That's all you do. And then see the paper comes right off of it. Just falls right off like that.
Do your anger management class.
Yeah, the anger management.
Just doing garlic.
There you go. And just,
I love this.
The claw, so you don't ever, cut yourself. And lay that right against your knuckles, and then you can just cut it really easy, just like that. See, just like that. And then what I like to do to mash is put just a little bit of salt, because salt's going to kind of help it break down. And then you can kind of do like this. You can actually mash it, and it breaks it down. So you increase the surface area.
I have never done this before.
No.
So is this called minced or mashed?
Mashed. This is mashing. And it takes a little bite out of it, too. So it's a really good way to break it down for salad dressings or for something like this.
Who knew this?
I know. I learned it in culinary school. So it's just an easy little tip. And it's so much fun.
When we have our farming show series
no.
on how to pull out mares and do that part, just don't think that she's so cool.
No, it's that's right.
Doing all this French cooking because she did go to school, in Paris.
That's right.
Some of us lived on the farm.
So they've got that, and then we just put that in there, and it'll mix evenly. And so just wanted to show you that. And so now
the smell.
It's so
Here
nice.
We go with the aroma.
There we go. So then now we've got that, and so now we're just mixing it, and that's really it. So that's all we have to do, and then you can always taste it, and just make sure you can adjust the seasonings. That looks good to me.
Okay, right.
And then we're just going to pour it here into the baking dish and put it in the oven, 350.
And I'm getting ready for the most perilous part. I'm pulling the crackers towards me because I feel that something magical is about to happen.
It is indeed, and this is what it looks like after you have cooked it. It's beautiful and brown, and so we are done.
And may I?
Yes, you may.
And also, it's really cool if you have an assortment of crackers like these are nut crackers, vegan. They're absolutely delicious. These are almond, good for the brain. These are simple pretzels that people like, and then these are an Italian kind of a real crunchy cracker. So, what I love, don't you think about a dip too? It tastes completely different on different types of crackers.
Absolutely. So you might want to try different things.
And these are all healthy.
I'm going to try it on this one.
And even if it wasn't healthy, I'm lying, don't lie to you.
Oh, so good.
Oh my God. When you make this, make a double batch. Get one at home, and then take one with you to the party. And they are going to love you to death, and they won't forget what you brought.
Awesome.
Maybe not get the recipe out so they won't bite you next time, because if you have halitosis or other problems, you may have a problem being re-invited. But you bring this baby,
they
will be invited all the time.
They will. Thank you for joining us. Bon appetit. I'm Kendrick.
And I am Kathleen Hall. Thanks for joining us here. The recipe will be on mindfullivingnetwork.com. Come to our company and see what else we do.
That's all right.
Have a great day.